channel. My name is Todd and it's time to cook again. So today we're doing pork tenderloin. So let's get our ingredients together. For our pork tenderloin, we are going to need roughly a 4-pound pork tenderloin, some oil, fresh lemons, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, cumin, salt, chili powder, smoked paprika, and black pepper. So let's get prepped. So the first thing we need to do is get our seasoning blend together. So in a bowl we are going to add in Italian seasoning, garlic powder, cumin, and salt and pepper, chili powder, and smoked paprika. And then we're going to give this a good whisk, get this all blended together. And we're going to set this to the side, and now we're going to move it prepping up our pork loin. Alright, so we have us a large baking dish, and we're going to just put a little bit of oil in that. And we're going to grease up the bottom. And then we're going to take our pork tenderloin and we're going to set that in there. And as always, when working with raw meat, we want to make sure we keep our hands clean. So now we're going to take us a fork and we're going to puncture the skin on all sides. And I'm not too worried about the fat on the bottom because it will render off during the cooking process. Alright, get the side here real quick. Alright. Got my hands here, I've got me a little bleach towel that I've got soaked in bleach water. Alright, so now we're going to take our remaining oil and we're going to spread that over our pork loin, all sides. Alright, now we're going to take our seasoning blend and we're going to sprinkle this over our pork loin. Oh, I wish you could smell this. The lemony smell from the cumin. Just amazing. Let's turn him on the side. I want to make sure and get the end also. Then let's put the last little bit. Step over here real quick and wash my hands. All right, and then the lemons that we have juiced them, and we've got roughly 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then we are going to pour this across the top. And this is going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes to an hour till we've got an internal of at least 165. So let me get this in the oven and we'll be back. So our pork loin has been going for an hour and we're going to give it a temperature check. And the internal is right at about 120. So we probably need this to go about another 30 minutes or so. So he's going back in the oven. All right, so our pork loin has been going for roughly an hour and a half. Now we're going to take it and we're going to set it to the side and let it sit for 30 minutes. All right, so our pork loin has been sitting for a good 30 minutes or so. So we are going to slice these up into about 1-inch slices. And there we go. So we're going to take us a couple of slices here. Just plate it up. And serve this up with a couple of sweet rolls. And we're going to put this in, pour a little bit of pork gravy on top of this. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. New videos are posted every Tuesday at 4 p.m. And until next time, enjoy.